Welcome to the chapter 7 of The Three Flowers. If you haven't watched the previous 6 chapters, then you should watch them for better understanding of this chapter. And if you have watched them already, then let's start with Sakshi's essay. Just think, who are the top businessmen, motivational speakers, politicians, doctors of your town, state or country? You will find 9 out of 10 people in these lists are men. Even all can be them. Now let's consider our reality. Girl child is getting more or less the same opportunity to learn things in school and educate herself. Now there are many areas all around the world where girl child is still considered a burden. But for instance, let us exclude this for some time. Now girls get equal opportunity to learn and she wants to make career in the field she loves. Now here the game turns. Most of the parents still have the traditional mentality that it's enough for a girl to learn till the high school or a degree course, but in the same case they ignore they are restricting the flights of some really talented and nurturing stars. So some girls' career get exhausted here. Now coming to the second category, the parents that agree in a girl's opinion to live her dreams, but if she fails during her flight towards her dream, she can be interrupted in the midway. Very few people support them until the big deal. We have seen some of these on Big Curtain, the film industry. Many dreams are still on their way in the city of dreams and will until the industry has its name. Every day 5 girls land with dreams of a big deal in Bollywood films, but do all succeed? Bollywood is just another example. Girls do have dreams and passions to follow. They too have that courage to fight with the worst in their way if they are given some time. Yeah, just time. Wait for the green signal of marriage. Getting married early and nurturing kids has become a traditional way now. The time has come to be a kid and get married to the work first. Writing is useless without a reader. We girls know everything what is happening with us, and the only mistake we do is that we think late. Seems unsimilar. Look at the fact. More than 40% of women getting married before 25 regret their early marriage because most of them had once great aspirations for their dream. In the process, we are losing lakhs of icons who could have done something great in the life. But oops, we too have some solutions for this. Look at the given article. To ensure that all women have control over when to have children and how many to have, the priority is to provide family planning services to the estimate 222 million married women aged 15 to 49 in developing countries who are in need of modern contraceptives. The son preference that has resulted in sex imbalances and excess mortality among girls in a number of key countries needs to be addressed. In leadership sector, the best practice remains the 70-20-10 method. 70% of a person's development should come from on-the-job training in key assignments, 20% from mentoring and 10% from training. Women's assignments must become a top, if not the number one priority. Women educate and shape their children's future household and resource management habits. Women can be developed as entrepreneurs, and Deloitte, a South Africa-based firm, is one of the few which is focusing on it. They conducted a program in KwaZulu-Natal, including a public-private partnership with the local municipality. The municipality provided the funding to host women entrepreneurs from rural areas, and Deloitte provided the mentors, intellectual property and resources. The municipality used Deloitte's skills transfer expertise at regular contact sessions, advising women on topics such as interpersonal skills, business skills, regulatory compliance, public tender applications, social media skills, winning business and marketing skills, and hosting networking functions. The success of such programs culminates in the women themselves becoming mentors to other entrepreneurs and forming their own networks to support each other's growth. This was Sakshi's essay. Let's see what happens next in the 8th chapter. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.